Hello, entrepreneurs. So on this activity, you're going to be looking at three different presentations from last year, and you see those below. And we just want you critically examining them, observing them, thinking about them, and then posting your thoughts to the questions that are below. And then in the next assignment, you'll see that there's a discussion board. So reading each other's comments and really hopefully pushing each other's thinking to different dimensions, sharing resources, and just showing growth in how you're able to look at what comes before you, build upon it, and support your classmates. Okay, so that's for this assignment and the next one. But I want to walk you through where we're going as far as our second iteration, and then of course the final iteration, the third, or however many it takes. Is going to be following this format. So you'll have this in this module, this slides presentation. And on the second slide, there's just a checklist there. You notice on the first thing it says, have you updated the title of this slide deck to your beautiful question? Some of you have beautiful questions. Some of you need to make your questions far more beautiful. So what I mean by that is, how do you allure, how do you catch, how do you really get the person interested right from the bat? All right. So making a concise, but what's the word? Starts with a P. Anyways, a question that really, gosh, it's on the tip of my tongue, but a question that really makes them want to look at your presentation. It's super important, okay? But you'll follow this checklist, and then you'll be deleting both of these first two slides once you've done all of it. So before you submit it to the Catalyst exhibition organizers, these two slides will be deleted, okay? Let me show you where it's all beginning though, here is where you'll replace it with your beautiful question. And then on this side, you're gonna be embedding your second iteration of your Flipgrid, okay? So based on the feedback that you've received, and if you haven't received feedback, maybe you met in a Zoom with someone and you both hadn't done your Flipgrid yet and received that feedback, and that's okay. Show it to some friends, people that you live near, show it to your parents, show it to brother and sisters. The more feedback you can get on that, the better. And to me, feedback that says, oh, it's good, that's not so useful. So you might even think about how you frame the feedback that you want them to give, such as, what are two ways you think that I might be able to improve this, okay? But on this opening slide, we'll have your beautiful question and we'll have your pitch, okay? And then again, that pitch is 60 to 90 seconds. It's embedded on this slide. Then you're going to be recording yourself similar to what I'm doing here, whether you use Screencastify, Screencast-O-Matic, Loom. There's so many different platforms for you to record yourself. But once your slides are finished, you're going to record yourself with hopefully a personality where you're presenting to people. Okay, so on this slide, you're giving your background. And then on this slide, if it clicks, let's go. You'll be showing your work. So here is where you might show images. It could be your customer research. It could be things that that really evidence your understanding. Definitely your BMC. And you're not expected to talk about everything, but just the high points. Okay. So they have your pitch. They have a bit of background. They see what you've done, the process. And then you'll have your works cited, and it's important that where you've borrowed research that you use the correct MLAO format, and you show that here. And then how do you want to receive feedback? Okay, so you want to think about that, and on this slide is an invitation to how you would like them to give you feedback. If you need help with that, please just reach out to me on Twist. I have one resource I know can help you construct some questions based on this, okay? And then last, visitor feedback. Okay, this slide too will also be deleted. Okay, I just wanted you to have a heads up of where we're going from the Flipgrids to the GOA actual format that they want us to turn things in. All right, so this module is a big one because it's us doing a second iteration, getting feedback, and then doing a third iteration, and hopefully then being able to send it away. Okay, hope that helps.